Next, today I believe we dive into the mysteries of the universe. Space Class 101, here we come!
Let's just hope you don't get fur all over the classroom.
Wait, so what are the adventures? Okay, where did you find?
Welcome, cadets, to Space Class 101. My name is Mr. Spark, and today we'll learn the basics of space navigation.
Basics? I was born to fly.
Okay, everyone, class dismissed. See you guys after lunch.
We have to find a different teacher.
Not enough.
So, are you ready for your first space mission, Sir Meow?
Naturally, Max. But I'm not doing this for myself. My brother, Mr. Paws, went missing a few months ago on a space mission, and he hasn't been heard from since.
Think he's still out there?
I have to believe he is. He was always the daring one, exploring the galaxy while I stayed closer to home. Now it's my turn to travel space.
Well, I'm sure he'd be proud of you.
Proud or not, we're cats. We don't get much respect around here. They think we're just pets, not pilots. All I can do is try and claw away at the comments.
Yeah, I've noticed some of the looks. They don't know what they're missing. You're gonna show them what a cat can do.
Ugly furball. I hope so, Max. But maybe, just maybe, I'll find a clue about my brother along the way.
Welcome back, class. Now we'll be discussing our emergency protocols. Attention, Earth is under alien attack. Report to the launch bay immediately as a part of your lesson. Now.
There's a spaceship.
We don't even know how to fly this thing.
Max, I have 9 lives, and you better learn quickly. Engines on, shields are activated. Now hold on, Max.
You sure you've done this before?
Oh, it's practically in my DNA. Just think of it as one giant litter box to navigate.
You finally made it.
Oh, is that you?
And the fur little brother. The team to save us is here at last.
So, this is your brother? Doesn't seem like the sit back and relax type.
Can't argue with that. We've been holding off these aliens for days, but we're a little outnumbered.
Good thing you got the Meow Meow Touch here to help out.
Yeah. Just get us out of here before these aliens realize we're leaving this dump.
What the heck? There's an alien over there.
We gotta run!
There's a spaceship over there.
Do you think that thing's gonna handle all of us?
That ship's got more lives than a room full of cats. Let's go.
Didn't think I'd be heading home anytime soon.
Big brother, looks like you owe me one. Or maybe 2.